Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not filmed a YouTube video in so long and I've been trying to get myself to film. It's just I feel like I wasn't really inspired and I just came back from like my vacation and I started making hair clips now. So on my little Etsy shop, if you guys don't know, I have a little Etsy shop called Yadi Co and it's basically Yadi Collective. So I'm basically making handmade stuff there and I'm selling them there. I actually came out with these little rings. If you guys don't know, not this one right here. And I'm making hair clips now. And I also came out with this necklace right over here. It's like an evil eye necklace and it's available on my Etsy shop. These are $5.50 each pair. And I also have these, and I'm gonna put like a little video here about the other clips that I have. So far, those are the clips that I have. I will be coming out with more stuff there. So if you guys want to check it out, I will leave a link down below so you guys can check out my little Etsy shop. It helps me pay my bills. So anything you guys buy, it supports, it helps me out a lot. Anything helps, trust me. So today I actually want to film with the 80s palette. They also sent over the 90s palette and the 2000s palette. I saw the 80s one and I was like, the colors were so good. And I was like, you know what? I really want to try this. You guys, look at how this looks. It is bomb. This one's like a really neon yellow. I don't know why it's not. It's like coming out a little brighter there because of the light. But do you see how bright that yellow is? It is just bomb and I want to try it on my eyes so bad. So I'm going to be using the 80s palette today, but I also want to show you guys the 2000s palette. It is really nice. Like, do you guys see how beautiful that looks? These browns, I cannot, like, they look so good. Like, they look like you can use those every day, and the names are everything. Like, this one is all about like the 2000 songs like Poker Face, Sexy Back, Milkshake, Umbrella, Single Lady, Holla Back, Bootylicious, Gold Digger. If you know, you know. And then we also have the 90s palette. This one's actually really cute. Like, look at all the pastel colors and look at all these neutral colors right here. I feel like this palette, it's so good, like to put a pastel color all over your lid. So good. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel and want to be part of my little family, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. I will be posting more often, I promise. I like to do YouTube videos when I feel creative and when I get excited about something. And I did see the BH Cosmetics 80s remix palette, so I was like, I'm going to do a look with this because it's colorful and bright and I'm into it. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll be adding some swatches here for you guys so you guys can see, because honestly, to do swatches right now here is just too many palettes and too many shadows. I am not gonna do that. So and honestly, I kind of don't like swatches. Like, I just don't really care for them so much. I just like playing straight up in my eyes, you know, just kind of testing them out there. Also, I saw you guys saw in my previous video that I got a haircut. I basically took you guys with me when I got my haircut and I showed you guys the reveal. I'm still loving it. I'm still working with it and I like the way it looks. I kind of do want to get more bang. I know I said that. I want to go like this, you know. And yeah, I actually really like it. So thank you guys so much for the comments on my video and you guys loving my haircut. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. So I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills ABH eye primer because we are going to use a little bit of color. As you guys can see, it's a lot of color, so I want to use a little bit of like eye primer and just pack that on the lid. As always, I don't know what I'm going to do. I kind of just go with the flow. I just know I want to make it look nice and bright and very 80s. So we'll see how it goes, to be honest, because I really don't know the kind of eye look I'm trying to go for. I just know that I kind of wanted to go a little in with my clips because they're just so cute. So yeah, so we're going to go in with this palette and I'm going to go, oh, that's not it. That's not it. It's this one. So I'm going to go in with this beautiful, colorful palette. And I do just want to blow it out a little to like kind of cat eye-like vibe. I'm going to go in with this brush. It already has pink, so I'm going to be using pink. So I'm going to be going in with Love Shack, which is this pink one right over here. And I'm going to make it into like a little cat eye moment. I know it's kind of hard to see with my bangs, so I'm just kind of packing that in the outer corner and winging it out because I kind of want to blend it in with the blush. So basically packing the color in. As you can tell, the pigment is very nice and bold, and that is something I'm looking for, and I am getting it. And I'm also gonna kind of bring that to the lower lash line and bring it all together. I make sure that I diffuse that pink so it doesn't look too like ugh. So I'm gonna go in with Call Me right here, and I'm gonna be using this to blend out the edges of the shade Love Shack, and I'm just using that to just blend the edges very, very nicely, and that's gonna slowly blend it in with the blush. How that's blending in very nicely with the blush. I'm just adding it all the way here to my temple and blending it out. You want to make sure you make it very 80s, and I know 80s had like a really bright, colorful eye look, and I want to create that. So I'm going to go in with Super Freak, which is this beautiful orange, you guys. You guys don't even know, orange is like one of my favorite colors because I just think they're so pretty. So I'm going to go in with this shade. I know my orange on my brush is a little bit bright, but it's fine because I want to blend it in with the pink and just kind of add a little bit of a color there. We're just playing with color here, you guys, and blend it in with the pink, and it's gonna kind of make it look really, really nice. Pink and orange blend very nicely, so it's gonna look really good. You guys, I haven't played with color like this in so long that I was like, I need color like this again because I miss it so much. And this palette is really doing it for me. I know there's like a lot of colorful palettes, and I feel like everyone's getting bored of makeup lately. I don't know what it is. I even feel like people don't even care for YouTube videos so much for makeup. So it's like a little sad. I don't know what it is. I think it was COVID, to be honest, because people weren't wearing that much makeup and they weren't getting that creative. But I need to get myself back to that mojo because I miss it so much. I'll be blending this orange right here on the bottom, kind of making it really nice and bright and colorful, which I'm actually loving the way this is looking. Do you guys see how that looks? Like, it looks really nice and blended. Now that we're done with the orange with pinks, I'm gonna go in with Thriller, which is this red here, because I kind of want to create this kind of color that I have going on my shirt to kind of match with it. So I'm gonna go in with that shade. The red one is called Thriller. And I'm just kind of adding it to the outer corner here and just deepen the color a little more. And we're also going to bring it in to the lower lash line and blend that out. This is going to add like more like of a sunsetty eye look right there that's going on. Do you guys see that? Ooh, you guys, I have not played with color like this in so long that I miss it so much. So I'm really happy that I'm doing this video. I was actually dreading it because I was like, do I have the energy for it? And I actually do now that I'm like doing it. It looks really nice and it's kind of fun. I really do miss this. So let me know in the comments below what you guys been up to. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in so long, and I love responding to you guys in the comments. It's like one of my favorite things to do. I'm always kind of looking at the comments and trying to respond because it's really fun for me to do. So let me know in the comments below what you've been up to. So right now I'm just grabbing the orange again and blending that in with the red, just so it doesn't look so like choppy there. Do you guys see how that's looking? It's like really cool. So I'm gonna go in with the bright yellows and greens. Oh my god, but the blues are so nice too. The blues, ooh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do blue. I think I'm gonna go in with Wake Me or Man Eater. I'm gonna go in with Man Eater. It's like a bright blue. I think that's like a really good blue to go with. Do you guys look at that pigment right there? It looks so good. And I'm just packing this all over the lid. Oh my god, do you guys see how amazing that looks? That looks insane. I mean, I do have fallout. I didn't take that off the brush, so I'm gonna make sure to tap it before I apply it on the lid. But do you guys see how amazing that looks? Like, what? Like, ooh, it kind of matches my shirt. Look, I'm gonna show you guys really quick. You guys see how my shirt is like blue and in this color? That's kind of what I was going for. So I'm gonna grab the shade In the Groove, which is this bright yellow right here. It looks kind of pastel-y bright there, but it's pretty bright in person. And I'm going to be adding that and blending it in with the blue because I feel that it kind of does look a little choppy. So we're going to just blend that in. And what I'm doing is tapping it in there because it's going to start mixing like a little green color there. Do you guys see that? Like, it kind of helps to blend it in. So I'm just going to kind of blend those colors together. Ooh, that looks, you guys, I just created a rainbow. Like, what the hell am I doing right now? Because it looks so good. Oh my god. It looks insane. What have I just done? Wow. Wow. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this look. I did not know I was going to go like this. Like, I feel like it looks really cool. I do want to add a little bit of that yellow in the inner corner because I feel like it's gonna make it pop even more. Or should I do like a baby blue? Maybe I should do like this baby blue here. This one right here. This is called Wake Me Up Before You Go Go. That's all I'm gonna say because I don't want YouTube to mess me up right now. Looks like that. It looks really nice. So we're just gonna add that to the inner corner. Ooh, this looks really nice. You guys see that? It made it pop even more. Honestly, I feel like this is one of my favorite palettes right now. Like, this is cute. I'm also going to bring that into the inner corner here and just kind of make it stand out even more. Ooh, this looks really, really good. Do you guys see that? Like, I love it. So nice. So I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara now. I don't know if I want to put lashes. Like, I kind of don't want to put lashes on. I don't think I'm going to go with lashes. So I'm going to put mascara on. This mascara that I'm going to be using is going to be Kush mascara. I'm going to go in with the Kush Lash Base. And then I'm going to go in with the Kush, which is, I'm sorry, this is like a primer. It's like a white primer. And then I'm going to go in with the mascara, the Kush mascara. So we're going to use this and coat our lashes. You guys, I'm obsessed. It looks so good, you guys. This palette is actually really good. If you guys are looking for like that 80s color, like this palette gives you all of those colors and they blend very nicely. I have no problem blending them. They look so good, you guys. If you guys missed my color looks, I feel like I delivered today and I'm really happy about it. So now I'm gonna go in with a lip, and I'm actually surprised I'm not wearing lashes because I feel like sometimes my lashes are not it, but I feel like lately I cannot with lashes. I feel like all the lashes I have are so big. I don't even know how I used to do it before. Like, I really don't. So for my lip, I am going to be going in with this Milk Makeup. This is their Electric Glossy Lip Plumper, and this one's called Charged, and I haven't used it, you guys. I really wanted to try it out, but do you guys see how cool this looks, the packaging? I love it. So I'm going to go in with this one and just apply. What do you guys think of lip plumpers? Like, what are your thoughts? I feel like they're kind of good, but I'm not really into them. Like, I'm not used to them. Especially with the mask, you guys. It's been horrible. You can't even... Honestly, before the pandemic, I was into glosses a lot. And I still am. But the mask kills it for me. Like, I cannot use a lip gloss with a mask on. It sucks. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. So let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments below. It felt really nice to just kind of sit here and do my makeup because I honestly did miss it so much. I've been wanting to, and this palette just brought me back. This is the reason why I'm filming, because this palette was so pretty and I was like, you know what? I miss colors. I want to go back to my colors and I really wanted to try it out. So you guys, this is amazing. And thank you BH Cosmetics for sending this over. I recently started getting BH Cosmetics PR, which I'm so happy about because BH Cosmetics were like the first brushes I ever owned myself. When I first bought myself a pair, like a set of brushes, BH was it. So I'm really happy, and it feels like a full circle, the fact that I'm getting products from there now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let me know what you guys have been up to. I want to be able to talk to you guys in the comments, and let me know if you guys are interested in my hair clips. Make sure you guys check out my little shop on Etsy. I'm going to leave the link down below. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, make sure you guys are following me there. And I'll see you guys next time.